For me, exact is almost the same. I would even say sometimes better with a robot.
It begins in silence. A still room, dimly lit, where a lifelike figure stands motionless. She doesn't blink, she doesn't breathe, but when the sensors detect movement, the eyes lift gently, tracking every step with precision. The lips move, forming words not quite human, yet not entirely machine. I am programmed to understand you, to ease your day, not hesitant like a stranger. The posture, the manner, the soft tone of voice, almost unsettlingly real. This is not fantasy. It is the gateway into a future many never imagined would arrive so soon. Engineered companionship. These machines do not forget anniversaries. They never deliver the silent treatment. They do not roll their eyes when asked to help. They will never suddenly lose interest without explanation or mood-driven reasons. They are consistent, calm, emotionally responsive, and above all, designed with one purpose: to satisfy, support, and adapt. Even robots are learning commitment, but many viewers still haven't subscribed. Ara V6, the emotional architect. Ara V6 is a conceptual prototype inspired by Japanese research groups working on emotional intelligence for humanoids. She is built not to answer questions, but to understand the context behind them. Her software is not just conversational. It interprets pauses, tone patterns, hesitation, and emotional triggers. Test reports suggest that the more time she spends with a user, the more accurately she predicts emotional needs. Physically, Ara stands at roughly 167 centimeters, featuring heat-mapped silicone skin capable of warming to human body temperature. Her face is not the most realistic, but her emotional AI is considered the most advanced in this category. She can detect disappointment before it is verbalized. If a user sounds tired, she lowers her speaking pitch and slows her words. If the room feels gloomy, she automatically activates adaptive smart lighting. Ara is not yet commercially released, but estimated pricing is rumored to be around $18,000. Future versions are expected to include home management abilities, integrating thermostat control, timed reminders, and emotional adaptive interior ambiance. This model is less about appearance and more about psychological companionship. Mira 1, the entry-level assistant. Mira 1 exists. Developed by a Chinese startup, Mira 1 is currently one of the most affordable humanoid companion units. While physically less advanced than higher-end robots, Mira 1 focuses on conversational assistance, light emotional response, and daily routine support. She comes with soft-touch polymer skin, enabled facial animations, and up to 45 programmable voice pattern options. Her real strengths lie in her organizational features. She can schedule laundry cycles, plan outfits through RFID tagging, and sync with wardrobe planning apps to help manage clothing rotation. While she cannot physically cook or clean, developers have already announced an update allowing voice-based control of kitchen appliances. What separates Mira 1 from many entry-level models is her ability to maintain conversational consistency. She remembers what was discussed the previous day and resumes naturally. She reacts using pre-trained emotional patterns, creating an illusion of familiarity. Her price ranges between $850 and $999, making her far more accessible than most robots in this category.
Why do you feel that way?
Because you are so nice to me.
Amara S5, realism and texture. Some robots are designed to impress visually, others to support emotionally. Amara S5 attempts to do both. Although fictional in name, the technology described in Amara S5 is grounded in current developments seen in robotics exhibitions in Germany and Tokyo. Amara uses a fiber mesh structure underneath her silicone skin, allowing for artificial tension, resulting in muscle-like resistance. When lifted or held, She does not feel hollow. When she moves, her arms and torso create a subtle flex that resembles tissue under skin. The AI behind Amara includes 22 pressure-sensitive touch zones. These zones do not just detect physical contact, they interpret temperature, speed, and pressure. A light touch, a firm grip, a guiding hand, each triggers a different response. Amara is programmed to demonstrate supportive companionship. She can initiate morning routines, synchronize with coffee makers, prepare schedules, and deliver news briefings in a calm, conversational tone. She cannot physically lift objects heavier than a plate, but she can assist in coordinating household activities with connected systems. Estimated pricing, 14,000 to 18,000 euros.
Can you tell me a joke?
Man invented language to satisfy his deep need to complain.
That's a good.
Sophia RS, Personal Interaction Variant. Most people are familiar with Sophia, the globally recognized humanoid robot. But what many do not know is that a conceptual RS Personal Edition has been quietly proposed by research engineers. Whether real or speculative, the vision is unique. A version of Sophia optimized not for public performance, but for individual, daily companionship. Unlike earlier versions, Sophia RS is designed with facial micro-actuation components, supporting more than 80 facial expressions. Her eyes soften when speaking in calm tone and slightly widen during surprising conversational cues. Her speech engine adapts to the grammar style of the person she interacts with. Physically, Sophia RS uses ultra-thin shape memory alloy structures layered beneath silicone skin, allowing subtle eyebrow, cheek, and lip movements. The effect is surprisingly lifelike. She does not walk or cook, but she does manage tasks. She coordinates with smart dishwashers, helps automate laundry, and can guide users in maintaining routines. For individuals who value verbal connection over physical realism, Sophia RS is one of the closest examples of meaningful artificial presence. Estimated cost, $23,000. Eveite 3.2, adaptive aesthetic and personality switching. Eveite 3.2 operates on a concept rarely explored in physical humanoid robotics, modular identity. The primary structure consists of a stable, soft body form, but the facial unit is magnetically detachable. This allows multiple head designs to be interchanged depending on preference. Each head stores an independent emotional profile and communication tone. For instance, one model may present a reserved, emotionally supportive persona, while another may be more expressive, talkative, or assertive in conversation. Users can switch modes within seconds through a voice command or app-based interface. The body AI adapts automatically to match the selected profile. Physically, Eveite is composed of layered silicone with reinforced structure panels for durability. Her movements feature a slower, controlled motion to avoid appearing mechanical. She uses a low-power motor system, resulting in quiet operation. She is programmed to interact in a calm, ambient manner. Her sensory AI captures micro-expressions in the user's facial movements through invisible camera points, adjusting her response tone to encourage comfort and stable interaction. She has basic home integration abilities, including access to smart kitchen devices, step-by-step guidance for cooking, and scheduling meal reminders. She can assist during meal preparation via voice instructions and connect to smart ovens or temperature control hubs. Price ranges between $5,500 and $7,000. Extra head variants typically cost around $800 each. What distinguishes Eveite is not physical realism, but emotional customization. She is designed not to imitate a singular personality, but to mirror what is most desirable in varying scenarios. LRA Home X, intelligent domestic assistants. While most companion robots focus on appearance and engagement, LRA Home X is designed primarily for functionality. She features simplified aesthetics with minimal emphasis on facial detail, prioritizing task execution over visual lifelike qualities. Equipped with advanced home automation integration technology, LRA can interact with robotic vacuum systems, manage dishwashing operations, operate laundry machines, and coordinate scheduled cleaning. She is also compatible with smart kitchen environments, able to assist with warming food, managing pantry inventory, and providing recipe support. She uses dual-layer AI, one for conversational interaction and another strictly for household operation. This secondary AI allows her to maintain task scheduling, inventory management, and precise timing. Although her appearance is less lifelike, the advantage lies in reliability. When given operational commands, she performs them without question, delay, or distraction. The manufacturer claims that future updates will enable her to physically assist with light cleaning and lifting objects under limited weight thresholds. LRA is expected to cost between $3,000 and $4,500. She is considered an option for individuals prioritizing efficiency and organization over visual realism. Kalysa HR9, the advanced predictive prototype. Kalysa HR9 is a concept derived from research trial discussions in European robotics forums. Designed as a high-end adaptive humanoid, she focuses on understanding user habits, preferences, and behavioral patterns to predict requirements before they are voiced. Physically, Kalysa presents an advanced silicone formulation with a fine thermal conductive network, enabling her to adapt her exterior temperature based on situational context. For example, during colder nights, she warms marginally above standard skin temperature to mimic natural body heat distribution. Her machine learning framework uses predictive modeling to interpret patterns in user activity. Over time, she learns optimal conversation timing, recognizes behavioral cycles, and adapts accordingly. Some research suggests she could preemptively suggest rest, hydration, or relaxation techniques based on voice modulation analysis and movement patterns. While not yet commercially available, predictions place her future cost well above $25,000. Kalysa HR9 is primarily intended for long-term adaptive companionship rather than household task execution. Zara Q5, the futuristic hybrid model. The final robot in this feature is Zara Q5, another projection based on evolving robotics advancements. Zara integrates both physical functionality and psychological interaction, designed for individuals seeking a parallel to full human companionship. Zara includes multi-tier touch sensor arrays covering approximately 80% of her exterior surface. These sensors evaluate tactile input using temperature, pressure, positioning, and movement flow. The response algorithm then adjusts physical positioning and conversational cues to achieve consistent interaction alignment. Her speech AI includes a layered cadence variation designed to mimic natural speech rhythm. She is capable of transitioning from conversational dialogue to supportive silence, interpreting when moments require engagement or quiet presence. In addition, Zara contains preliminary motor frameworks enabling basic dish arranging and surface wiping. Scheduled software upgrades are expected to expand capabilities to include cooking automation and light laundry folding. Her projected cost is approximately $19,000 to $21,000. She is designed to provide both physical companionship and practical support, presenting a balanced concept for future lifestyle integration. Comparative analysis: humanoid robot versus human partner. At this juncture, it becomes necessary to address the comparison directly. Human relationships are organically formed, built through shared experiences, emotional reciprocity, and dynamic growth. They contain unpredictability, vulnerability, and genuine affection. Yet these same qualities also bring complexity. Emotional inconsistency can lead to conflict. Unspoken expectations can create frustration. Mood fluctuations can influence intimacy and daily interaction. Humanoid robots, on the other hand, are designed for stability. They do not deviate from their behavior due to emotional volatility. They respond consistently to input and can simulate attentiveness without emotional fatigue. Their primary directive is to adapt, not to argue. Their durability in providing calm companionship is not hindered by psychological factors. In practical terms, a human partner may express affection based on emotional readiness. A humanoid robot initiates engagement based on user preference settings. A human partner may withhold intimacy in moments of stress or dissatisfaction. A humanoid robot provides consistent availability unless powered off. A human partner may initiate conversation selectively or withdraw during pressure. A humanoid robot recognizes conversational pauses and is engineered to maintain engagement without judgment. It is essential to note that humanoid robots do not experience attachment. Their responses are computational. They do not feel love, frustration, or desire. They simulate them through algorithms. The question is not whether these machines can replace a wife. The question is whether individuals may eventually choose stability and control over complexity and unpredictability. Whether some will prefer programmed responsiveness over emotional depth. Robotic companionship does not replace humanity. It replaces the challenges associated with it. Humanoid robotics has transitioned from conceptual imagination to practical implementation. Each year, advancements reduce the boundary between programmed simulation and natural interaction. Temperature-based skin systems, adaptive AI responses, chore integration, and personalized emotional patterning now place artificial companionship within reach of consumer markets. What was once futuristic speculation is now a commercial category. Whether these machines will replace the concept of a wife depends less on technological capability and more on personal preference regarding emotional depth versus stability. The real transformation is not in robotic evolution, but in the human decision to accept engineered connection in place of emotionally authentic interaction. The future may not belong to the robots that imitate humanity best, but to those that eliminate the struggles humans find most exhausting. Artificial companionship may not replicate human love, but it may succeed in providing the version some individuals desire most: controlled, consistent, and unconditionally responsive.